Welcome to CodeMap. Today we are going to discuss daily Leetcode challenge, maximum level sum of a binary tree. Now let's discuss the question. Given the root of a binary tree, the level of its root is 1 and the level of its children is 2 and so on. Return the smallest level x such that sum of all the values of node at level x is maximal. The question is saying that we have to return the level of the tree which is having the maximum sum. Now let's understand it with the given test case. In this case, you can see that we have given a tree, and at level 1 we are having 1. So the sum of the level 1 is 1. Now coming to the level 2, which is having 7 and 0. 7 and the sum of all the node at this level is 7 plus 0, which is 7. Now coming to the level 3, we are having 7 and minus 8. So 7 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 1. So we can see that in this tree, level 2 has the maximum sum, which is 7. So so our answer will be 2. Now let's discuss the logic how we can implement it. We can implement it by level order traversal of the tree. What we will do, we will traverse the tree level wise, calculate the sum of all the nodes at that level, and we will maximize the sum at every level. In other words, we can say that we will store the maximum sum we are getting at every level and return the level which is having the maximum sum. Now let's discuss the code. Here I have taken a queue which is using the level order traversal of the tree, and then I have pushed the root into the queue. Now I have taken a variable level which is our result, which will store the level which is having the maximum sum, and another variable is maxsum, which will store the maximum sum among all the levels. And initially I have initialized this with int min. Now the third variable is current level, which will store the current level of the tree which we are traversing. Now after that I have run a while loop till the queue is not empty, and inside that I have taken the size and initialized the size of the queue, and I have taken a variable sum which will store the sum of the current level of the tree. Then I have run a for loop, and inside the for loop I am taking out the node from the queue, front of the queue, and after that I'm popping it, and after that I am adding the value of the node into my sum variable, and after that if node has its left, then I am pushing it into the queue, and if the node has its right, then I am pushing it into the queue. Now after traversing the level, I am checking whether my sum is greater than the mx sum. If it is greater than my mx sum, then I am updating my mx sum, and also I am updating my level to the current level. And at end I am increasing my current level. And after the completion of this while loop, our result will be in the level variable, and that I am returning it. So now let's submit the code. Now we can see that our code has successfully passed all the test cases. Thank you for watching.